Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to talk about models for spacy. In this video I'm going to talk about specifically a model which is a very good model. Let's show you guys. This is called the Encore Web MD English model. As you guys can see, we have more languages now. I think that they added Italian and Dutch to the languages they are supported by this library. So to install this library, let's open up the command prompt, okay, and let's type Python -m spacy download, and let's pass the model which we're gonna download, web MD. So we're gonna do that, and you guys can see that we will download this model, and this model is good because as you guys can see, it has the vocabulary, the syntax, the entities, and the vectors. So if you need a word2vec library, you can use spacy. It is very easy to set up and use, so this is a good start. I wish they could add word2vec to the other languages as well, but I think that we would be in the roadmap. So let's just wait a little bit, and after that, you guys will see that I already have this model installed on my computer. So you guys will see that I cannot download. Okay, so you guys can see I already have this model. So in the next video, I'll show you guys how to use this model for word2vec. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.